In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Api-Ms-Win-Core-File-L2-1-0.Dll error on Windows. If you're experiencing issues related to this missing or corrupted DLL file, you're in the right place. This common problem often arises when a crucial component of the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable is missing or not installed correctly, and resolving it can be done in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the official Microsoft website. This will ensure you're downloading the most up-to-date version of necessary software directly from the source. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Microsoft's official downloads page. Once you're on the site, the next step is to download the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2022. This redistributable package contains the runtime components required to run C++ applications that are developed with Visual Studio. These components are sometimes omitted from default Windows installations, which can lead to the error you're encountering. Now that you're on the download page, it's crucial to select the right file for your system. This is a vital step because choosing the incorrect version could lead to further errors. If you're unsure about which version to download, here's a quick tip. Check whether your Windows operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to your system settings and find the System Information section. This will tell you whether your computer is running a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. With that information in hand, you can make the correct selection. For a 64-bit system, download vc-redist-x64.exe, and for a 32-bit system, download vc-redist-x.exe. Once the appropriate file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder and run the installer. As you initiate the installation process, you'll need to accept the terms and conditions provided by Microsoft. This is standard procedure for installing most software. After accepting the terms, go ahead and click the Install button. An important note here is to ensure that all your other applications and windows are closed before proceeding with the installation. This will help prevent any conflicts or issues that could arise during the process. After the installation is complete, you're almost there. The final step is to restart your computer. This will allow the new components to be fully integrated into your system. After rebooting, the Api-Ms-Win-Core-File-L2-1-0.Dll error should no longer disturb your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully corrected the Api-Ms-Win-Core-File-L2-1-0.Dll error on your Windows system. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you back on track.